Okay, so how to do Ghibli style AI profile picture or whatever? Okay, so first thing is you go to ChatGPT and then click upload files and more, upload from computer, and then choose the picture that you wish to use. So for example, I use a stock photos for this, and then just turn this into the Ghibli style photo, and then press enter, and then you wait. So do please note that it will take some time and you will have to be a little patient for this. So after a few minutes and then the image will be converted into a Ghibli style. So good luck, please do try. Bye bye.